How to save cover photo on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save cover photo on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now click on your profile and then just click on your cover photo and click view profile cover, and then just click these 3 points here, and now click this one, save photo, and as you see the photo has been saved. And that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.